just spent 2 days in Barcelona, and now we're gonna go take the train to Pamplona to start our backpacking adventure. Yeah!
Stereotype's not well.
Oh.
Tell if these photos look good or not. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell if it's cool.
So this is our third day in Spain, and I'm starting to notice a good amount of fatigue just from walking everywhere. Before I got here, I was pretty confident that the physical challenge would be well within my capacity. Perhaps I was underestimating the challenge of walking absolutely everywhere, all day, every day, for 5 weeks, most of it with a heavy pack. However, overall, I'm in great spirits and just enjoying the new sights and experiences. Tomorrow, we're set to begin our backpacking adventure, and the albergue that we're staying at tonight requires us to be within the premises well before dark. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of the footage that I got before our early curfew. Bye.